So hello students, welcome to my video. Now, while watching this video, you will learn how to perform data analysis using Microsoft Excel. So the first thing you do in data analysis is to input all your data. So how to input is you just have to do this. Number, name, age. We're going to determine here is to analyze here are the income of the people that has been listed down here. So next, heaven, so all borders. We just have to color it. So put number 1. Just have to fill this here. So it's like shortcut. So I'm using these names because it's from the anime that I love to watch. Satsuki, and who's the last one? Okay. Alex. Let's just say Alex. Okay. Next one is what we're going to do is to do it in alphabetical order. So your data and this one, and continue with current section. Okay. So let's just assume their age, something like this. For okay, something like that. So then the female, just say it's male, female, until here. Okay, male and female. The income, let's just assume 4,000, 4,500, 3,500, 5,000, 52, 4,500. After we're going to perform to input all of these numbers, we're going to have the data analysis. Okay, something like this. Home, all border, merge this, and data analysis. And you just have to fill this. Okay, good. And here you just have to put the income, sum of income rather. Okay. Okay. Now, next one is the average. Next one is the max age and the highest age. of the list of people that has been mentioned in the first table. Minimum age for the lowest age, so we just have to put another table here. Male, female, so we just have to add. Okay. So here in the sum, you just have to get the formula sum, open parentheses, you just have to get the pivot value. So 2 and E, so E2 semicolon until E11. So have to put E11, close parentheses, enter. So we have the total amount of income. For the average, just have to get this formula. Average, the same column, 2 semicolon E11, close parentheses, enter. And now we have determined the sum of income and the average income. So here in the average income, you can identify the person if you can call the person rich if it reached to the average income. Just have to fill this. So here what you're going to do is to highlight all the incomes that reaches the average. So here you just have to highlight here this one and go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules greater than 4,220 and change the color to green field. So all of the incomes that reach 4,200 and above will be highlighted into green color automatically, despite the number, even if I'm going to change this sample. So the value gets high, so it becomes to 50. So what I'm going to do is to change again to 4,250. Green. Okay. So the next one is we're going to the pivotal table. So this how to perform how to insert pivotal table. To highlight the area and this one. Check, check, check. However, it's not applicable because what we're going to do is to put all the rows here in a column of this pivotal table. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is something like this. Just have to copy this and paste it here. What we're going to do next is highlight this part, insert pivotal table, and click all of this column. So after that, you have to check this. Income to is not included. So, mistake. Wait. Here, okay. Pivotal table. Okay, this one. So name, age, gender, income, age 2, gender 2. Okay. And now what you're going to do next is not the final table. So you just have to move this gender. Okay. Gender 2, move here in the values and change the order. And the next one is the sum of age. Don't choose sum of age. You can highlight this too. Max age. Okay. Just have to put it here in the second row. Minimum. This is just the minimum age. And sum of income. Okay, that's gender count. So to here in between with the minimum age and sum of income. So what we're going to do is the count of genders. Just have to remove the 2, and that's it. That's it. And now, just have to remove this. Fill number. So you've done your pivot table. So what you see here in the total sum of income is the same with here, the data analysis. And the max age, I just have to put the 29 and 23 here. For the count, we can see that here in the female we have 3, 7, and 3. Okay. So for the last part, what we're going to do is to generate a graph. So how to generate a graph? It's very simple. You just have to highlight this and use the insert and recommend chart. You can choose all charts and lines. So I'm going to do what I'm going to choose is a line. Okay. But after OK, you just have to put the unchanged. You can change the design of the graph. So something like this. So it's all done. So even if you change the incomes, the graph will change too. So 4,000, and here it will change here. You see. See. So that's how you do a data analysis. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something in this video, and see you in my next video.